Hey folks, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to calculate the histogram of a color image. I will do this in Python. In my previous video, I wrote a program for a grayscale image. First of all, we are going to add some libraries like NumPy and OpenCV. NumPy is used to deal with numbers and arrays, whereas OpenCV is used to deal with images. If you haven't installed these libraries, I will put in my description how to install them. Now, we have already imported our concerned libraries. We are going to write a main function of our program. This is to make the structure of our program more similar to C or C++. This makes it easier to understand the code. First of all, we will read our image. After that, we can make a separate function to compute a histogram. From our main function, we can call a histogram function and pass our image. In return, we can have the histogram result of each individual channel: blue, green, and red. In this function, we can get the height and width of an image. After that, we can initialize three 256 length array, each filled with zeros, one for each channel. 0 is blue, 1 is green, and 2 is red channel. Then, we will start our loop to scan each pixel intensity value in each channel separately, and fill in our histogram arrays if we find the same intensity. Each channel intensity value is in the range of 0 to 255, so each 256 array will be filled according to each intensity level. After the loop is finished, we will return these three channel array. So, now, we can have our histograms in our main function. After computation, we will print our results to see the output. We will write two loops to see our results from each channel. At the end, we will write an input line to prevent the program from closing after it executes everything. Now we will run our program and see the result. I used the same image in my previous video. Just run it directly if you have installed Python and associated it with all py files. So, we can see the histogram of each individual channel of our image. Just like the previous video, I would like to add another function in our program. It will help us to see the histogram in a graphical form. For that, we have to add another library, matplotlib. For this, we can add another function in our program, and we will pass our histograms to this function, which we want to see in graphical form. So first of all we will set a figure. Then, set its title. After that, set its x-axis, label, and y-axis, label. Now, we will set the x limit from 0 to 256. This is because our array size is 256. And we will plot the histogram of each channel with its associated color. B for blue channel, G for green channel, and R for red channel. After that, we will just save this figure in our folder. So now we can run our program and see our result. And here is the graphical result of each individual channel in one figure. Each channel is represented by its own color. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Cheers.